evening, everyone. Happy Friday. My name is Jeff, and I'm from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the AI feature that's on the Formuler Z Mini that increases the image quality. Let's take a look. If this is your first time here, thank you for being here. Again, my name is Jeff. If you've landed on our YouTube channel or a Rumble or other platforms, thank you. Thank you. I want to thank Mr. Lateef Hawkins. I met him tonight. Shout out to Superdell for having me on his podcast or his live. I had a great time talking about these great devices. And Mr. Hawkins, I look forward to helping you with your Z Mini. And again, Superdell, thank you. I look forward to more collaborations. But I want to show you how the Formuler Z Mini has collaborated and has a secret switch inside, or a toggle, that will increase your image quality. Now, one thing about streaming that we all want, we want the best picture. We want the best processor to process the data the best that it can. Now, what I mean is your devices in 2024 should be at a progressive level, meaning they should be able to adapt to any situation to make it better. And I seen this myself before the godfather of streaming. This is my term for him, my name. The godfather of streaming is Troy Point. And I watched Troy Point a whole lot. And he said the same thing when he toggled it on, but I've done a little bit more research and I'll explain what this is in a moment. What I want you to understand before I get right to it is that every time you get on this device or one of these Formuler devices or upscale devices, you have the opportunity to get a better experience. And what we're going to do is take a look at this one toggle, and then I'll explain what it does. So if you go from the home page on the Z Mini, it's only on the Z Mini right now. We're going to go to settings and press OK. Then we're going to go down to device preferences and press OK. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go down to display and sound. Press OK. We're going to go to AISR. It's toggled on. AISR stands for AI Resolution Upscaling. AI Resolution Upscaling. What is AI Resolution Upscaling? Well, just the first two letters, AI, is a buzz right now. Every morning when I hear the news, or it's all a technology news, it's all about artificial intelligence. It's all about AI and how it can better our lives. And you're seeing a lot of it in ChatGPT and other places where they're getting these great images, but they're rich in context. Now, AI resolution, the fact that it's on the box, let me explain to you really quick what this is. I've done a little research, I won't be long. But AI resolution upscaling is a process where the artificial intelligence, AI, sends deep learning algorithms that are used to enhance the resolution of images and videos. This technology works by analyzing low resolution content, mid-resolution content, and learning from the vast amounts of data how details typically look at higher resolutions. In other words, when you turn this switch on, when you're watching anything on My TV Online 3 and it's low resolution, let's say a 540 resolution, it's sending thousands of vast algorithms into that video feed, into that image, and trying to find out how it can make it better, how it can take it from maybe 540 to 720. Or for instance, maybe it's taking it from 720 to 1080, and maybe from 1080 to 4K. This is done by AI, and it's done behind the scenes. The goal of it is to give you the details that don't take away from the original content, but to create a higher resolution version whether video or whether image. So when you're on your live TV and you're watching something that's from old school, maybe Sanford and Son, dating myself, Bonanza, again, dating myself, something that used to look good back then, now it's changed to something better because it has AISR, or AI resolution upscaling. There's a very detailed way of how it works, but I wanted to explain to you what this is because it is a game changer. And at this moment, it's only on the Formuler Z Mini. It's not on the highest scale Formuler Z 11 Pro Max. It is on the Formuler Z Mini. And the Formuler Z Mini is running Android 12. So this thing, or this device, or this toggle switch is a game changer. Some of my admins and friends that run the support part of theboxman.com also gets these devices for free. One of the things he said to me, let me give him, before I close out the video, is we just call him Frosty because he's cool, okay? Frosty is really, really cool. And I give my guys the stuff for free. And so one of the things I love about Frosty, he's going to tell you what it is, what it does, and how good it is. He really loved this device a heck of a lot. I'm looking for where it is. Where did he put that? Oh my gosh. Oh, let me look again. Hang on. And I really love the fact that you can find a lot of this in, it is absolutely amazing. Here it is right here. He said, I haven't had a lot of time to play with it, the box itself. He said, I want to say, I have to say with the auto upscaling feature, what I'm showing you, some of the older shows look a bit more crisp. So I really like that feature. They look a bit more crisp. Again, thousands of algorithms go into the image or video to make it a lot clearer. So if you have a Formuler Z Mini, you want to turn this on and gauge the difference. And I'd love to hear what the difference was if there was any in the comments of this video. Now I'm going to go ahead and close out the video because I appreciate you guys tuning in. I want to once again thank Superdell for having me on his podcast. It was a great time talking about these great devices. I also want to invite you to look at the next couple of videos, as I'm going to be giving a great opportunity for you to get one of the best devices that was given to us, called the One and Done, where you can get it for 30 days. You can try it for 30 days and we'll explain the process. And then 30 days later, if you like what you have, you could pay the difference. And I'll explain that great opportunity in the next video. Until then, go to your Z Mini, turn on the AISR, and tell us the difference. Have a good evening, and we'll see you over the weekend. Bye-bye.